on today's video, we're gonna try to install Webasto heater. It's a gas heater. It's not a diesel heater. It's a gas because my truck is on the gas. And we're gonna try to install. But first, I'm gonna go get some breakfast. My eggs are boiling. Eggs from the fridge. And meanwhile, while I'm eating, this infrared heater is gonna heat it up this place pretty good. And I will be comfy to work in a t-shirt. We're back. My belly's full. And it's nice and toasty here. Today, I already showed you, it is Webasto here 2000 STC gas heater. So we're gonna try to install today or in 2 days or in 3 days, but we're definitely gonna do it because I went to the mechanic and they said the install would cost me 900 Canadian dollars. The heater by itself, it was pretty pricey. I bought it for $1,300 Canadian dollars. So I'm gonna try to save as much as possible the installing costs. So how to say, let's get to it, or let's get on it. Let's get on it. What do we have here? I already went through this a little bit and I didn't find any instruction. So we don't have instruction how to install. That's very interesting. Not. We have obviously the heater by itself with the cables in it. Then you can open this one. First, drill the holes. There shouldn't be nothing under, and if that all goes good, we're lucky. I forgot to press the record button, so yeah, it went through all the way. We are literally above the tire. That's pretty cool. You see, it's right above the tire. Nice. So first things first, we want to put a plate on it. So we put the cable through. So we have everything there. Now we need to tie up this plate to the heater. Washers and bolts. I guess that's how you call them in English. And there's a rubber seal comes under it. You can see it. So I forgot to show you guys how to put that one on, but it's very simple. That's the very first thing. You just put this rubber seal on, then the plate, then tie it down, and then we go farther. That's how it looks. Next thing is we're gonna install the pipe. So you want to take this cable, push it down, and then you take the hose and put it on as much as you can. You take a clamp and you put it on. The next thing what we're gonna do is the fuel line. That should hold in place. Next thing, exhaust. Is this not gonna go nowhere? We have intake line, intake pipe, we have exhaust pipe, we have as well full fuel line. Let's see what's next. So this is air filter. What's next? A fuel pump and a fuel filter. Comes from the tank, goes in a fuel filter, and then from fuel filter it goes to the pump, and then from the pump it goes to your Webasto heater. I'm gonna just put these rubber things already on it. So that's that. Beautiful. Then the fuel filter goes into. Next, what we're gonna do is drink beer. Next thing what you want to do is mount an Webasto heater in the hole you made in your floor. The exhaust comes through here, so I don't want the exhaust, maybe it gets too hot, I don't know. I'm just guessing, right? So I would like to, I don't know even if this is gonna protect the wood from getting too hot or something. I'm just gonna try it. I will see how it goes, you know, just improvising. We have all nice and kind of insulated from the heat, hopefully. And another thing what I didn't show you guys is before you get it putting down in the hole everything, you need to attach the fuel line, because in my case, like, you could do from outside, but in my case I can't because it's pretty deep, and then I can't get with a screwdriver in to tie in this last bolt. So that's why I'm putting already fuel line in, so I don't need to struggle under my truck. So we have all set up. We have intake hose, we have exhaust hose, we have fuel inline, we have everything. We're gonna put it down in a hole and see how that goes. Here's showing the sign which way the air goes out. So in my case I want air going on that side, so we're gonna turn it like this. Let's feed that first. We're gonna put exhaust. I'm gonna go check from outside. This is how it looks from outside. This is nice. This is nice. That's nice. So now that we have everything in a place and screwed down, definitely need to put somewhere these things. And it doesn't matter which color which way goes. It's blue and brown, it does matter. It just goes in. Don't take my advice. I'm not an electrician and I'm not professional. I'm just the DIY guy. Yes. That's the fuel pump line, and then this one goes in a fuel pump, and then from fuel pump it goes into the heater. So we are back underneath the truck, and this is the cable what comes out from the heater as well. Same system. I need to put this mountain on, and then we're gonna clip together with this cable what we just did. And I will show you what I got there a little bit already. I did behind the scene. And they need to come in flat. And they are sticking out. Do you see it? Yeah. This one clips in there like this. That's it. And now it should be connected. This cable goes all the way to your fuel pump, and I will show you where I located my fuel pump. In the middle, behind of the axle, there's lots of open space, and here I'm thinking to do as well my spare tire. Here I want more tank, and here is my fuel pump. So I figure out that the fuel line is gonna run from here into the fuel pump. I got my cable and it should just click in here. That's it. It's clicked in there, and now I need to connect my fuel line. Then we're gonna go get extra fuel, because this fuel is old. And then you connect the controller to the main harness, where it's written telestart and thermocol. You connect them. Then I connect to the jump starter. Brown cable is, where is it? Brown cable is negative, and red cable is positive. Where the red cable comes out, one fuse you use 15 ampere fuse, and then for a controller you use 1 ampere fuse. Let's put them in. So we have fuses in. Let's see if it fires up. And we have a light. You already hear it's working. Yes. Oh, I had some struggle. I'll be honest. It's day 2, and I had a struggle to fire it up because first of all, my fuel line under the truck wasn't straight, so it didn't get enough fuel to the heater. And then I was like thinking, what's happening? But now it's all working. Really, really cool. I'm gonna go out and show you outside. Look. 35 degrees. I know it's messy. It's really messy. Oh, then yesterday my jump starter died and it didn't have the power enough, and then in this morning I wanted to start it up too, but I still didn't have enough power, and then as well the fuel line and everything. But yeah, you already hear this is working. Obviously I need to put a little bit better and stuff like that. But it's working. And then here, magic jar with a fuel line and everything. As long as you have straight fuel pump and fuel filter, it's all gonna be nice. Super. This is how it looks. Like I would fight with this Webasto heater, literally. But this is gonna be end of this video. I want to thank you to all for watching. I hope it helped to understand how to put successfully this heater on. Alrighty, see you in the next one. Hopefully in much better view.